Welcome to another episode of 5 Minutes Book Summary. Today we are going to explore the book, Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance. It is a philosophical novel by Robert Pirsig that explores the nature of quality and the relationship between the rational and the mystical. The book is structured as a road trip that the narrator, who is also the author, takes with his son and two friends on a motorcycle journey from Minneapolis to San Francisco. The narrator is a former professor of philosophy who underwent a mental breakdown and was institutionalized for several years. He now sees himself as a philosopher outside of academia, struggling to reconcile the rational and the intuitive, the scientific and the artistic, the mechanical and the spiritual. He develops his own philosophy of quality, which he sees as the foundation of all existence, and which he tries to apply to his motorcycle, his relationships, and his life. Throughout the book, the narrator reflects on various aspects of philosophy, including the meaning of truth, the nature of reality, the limits of reason, and the role of language. He also discusses the history of Western thought, from the ancient Greeks to the present day, and criticizes the modern world for its emphasis on technology, materialism, and conformity. The book is not just a philosophical treatise, but also a personal narrative. The narrator shares his memories of his past, including his troubled relationship with his son and his own struggle with mental illness. He also describes the landscapes and people he encounters on his journey, and reflects on the beauty and fragility of the natural world. One of the main themes of the book is the importance of living in the present moment and experiencing things directly, rather than through abstract concepts or preconceived notions. The narrator argues that this kind of direct experience is essential to understanding the nature of quality and to achieving a sense of harmony with the world around us. Another important theme is the idea that technology and the pursuit of progress have come at a cost, including the loss of traditional values, the degradation of the environment, and the alienation of individuals from each other and from themselves. The narrator suggests that we need to re-evaluate our priorities and find a balance between the rational and the intuitive, the mechanical and the spiritual, in order to restore a sense of meaning and purpose to our lives. Overall, Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance is a thought-provoking and challenging book that encourages readers to question their assumptions and explore new ways of thinking about the world. It combines elements of memoir, travelogue, and philosophy to create a unique and engaging work that has resonated with readers around the world since its publication in 1974.